Wait, do you think the cooking oil in your kitchen is safe? What if I told you the oils you use every day could be slowly harming your health? Sounds scary, right? Today, we're uncovering the hidden health risks of popular cooking oils that you need to know about. Don't go anywhere, because what you're about to learn could change your life. 1. The shocking truth about vegetable oils. Let's start with vegetable oils, like canola, soybean, and corn oil. These oils are in almost every kitchen. But did you know they often come from genetically modified crops? That's right, and these crops are usually treated with chemicals like pesticides and herbicides, which can be bad for your health. Plus, these oils are heavily processed. They undergo high heat and chemical treatments, stripping away all the good stuff and leaving behind unhealthy fats and toxins. Scary, isn't it? 2. The dangers of trans fats. Ever heard of trans fats? These are found in partially hydrogenated oils used in many popular cooking oils. Trans fats are known to increase bad cholesterol and lower good cholesterol, leading to heart disease, stroke, and even diabetes. The FDA has banned trans fats, but they can still be found in some cooking oils and processed foods. So, always check the label. 3. The omega-6 problem. Omega-6 fatty acids are essential, but too much can be harmful. Many cooking oils like corn, soybean, and sunflower oil are loaded with omega-6. Our bodies need a balance between omega-6 and omega-3 fatty acids. Too much omega-6 can cause inflammation, leading to chronic diseases like heart disease, arthritis, and even cancer. It's shocking how something so common can be so dangerous. 4. The issue with high heat cooking. Do you fry or saute your food? Many cooking oils are not stable at high temperatures. Oils like olive oil and vegetable oil can break down when heated, releasing harmful compounds like free radicals. Free radicals can damage your cells, leading to aging, cancer, and other health issues. So think twice before using these oils for frying or high-heat cooking. 5. Refined versus unrefined oils. Refined oils are processed to remove impurities, but this process also removes beneficial nutrients. Unrefined oils, on the other hand, retain their natural vitamins and antioxidants. However, unrefined oils have a lower smoke point, making them unsuitable for high-heat cooking. This is why it's important to choose the right oil for the right purpose. It's all about balance. 6. Healthier alternatives. Now that you know the risks, let's talk about healthier alternatives. Coconut oil, avocado oil, and extra virgin olive oil are great options. They are less processed and have higher smoke points, making them safer for cooking. Plus, they come with added health benefits like improved heart health and reduced inflammation. So what's the takeaway? The cooking oils in your kitchen could be doing more harm than good. Always read labels, choose less processed oils, and be mindful of cooking temperatures. Your health is worth the extra effort. Wait, don't leave just yet. If you found this video helpful, hit that follow button for more eye-opening health tips and tricks, because your health matters. Stay safe, stay healthy, and see you next time. Remember, the kitchen should be a place of nourishment, not danger. Don't let hidden health risks harm you and your loved ones. Follow for more content and take control of your health today.